How to fix common Zoom audio problems on desktop and mobile. There's nothing worse than joining on a video call and not being able to hear what is going on. Or the others on the line not being able to hear you. After all, even a lousy video feed can turn a video call into a regular audio-only conversation. And honestly, that's not the worst thing in the world, after all. You should see how I'm dressed right now. There are a few audio problems common on Zoom calls that have simple fixes. And we're going to walk you through how to quickly diagnose and remedy them in the steps below. Though the exact process may differ slightly from device to device. Chances are you will need to grant Zoom permission to access the camera and microphone on your computer before you start your first call. If you are having audio issues, it could be that you breezed past this step during setup. But not to worry, it can easily be fixed. Here's how to do it on a Mac. If camera and microphone permissions are not the issue. Perhaps some of the device's audio settings were inadvertently adjusted. Here's how to change them back. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner, or the zoom.us in the toolbar to bring up the Zoom settings menu. Click on mute microphone when joining a meeting in case you don't want inadvertent sounds disrupting the group at the start of a call. Click press and hold space key to temporarily unmute yourself. If others can't hear you at times, make sure you aren't accidentally resting your palms on the spacebar. I recommend that you toggle the suppress persistent background noise. Suppress intermittent background noise. And echo cancellation to auto to help cover up unwanted sounds during your call. The first thing you'll want to do is make sure that you've granted Zoom permission to access and use your device's microphone. Once that's done, you should be ready to record. If you're still having problems, let's take a look at the settings within the app. If no one can hear you, it may be that you forgot to share your audio. If that's the case, tap on the screen to bring up the bottom menu. It's also possible that you accidentally muted yourself. Or that the call host muted you. If that's the case, tap on the screen and look at the microphone icon in the bottom left corner. If it is red with a line through it, you're muted. If that doesn't work, go into your device multitasker to make sure no other apps are using your mic, audio apps, podcast apps, maps, etc., and force close them. If you can't hear anything, tap the screen to see if your speakers are on. You'll see the speaker icon in the top left corner. Before you can experience your first Zoom call, you'll need to have the appropriate app installed for your device. Zoom has quickly become the default video chatting service during this period of self-isolation and is available to use on pretty much every major platform, including Android and Chrome OS. A good microphone, a quality headset, or even just better earphones with a built-in microphone can go a long way towards making your next Zoom call a better experience for everyone involved. The Blue Yeti is one of the most ubiquitous USB mics on the market. It's well beloved for its 4 pickup patterns, which let you steer the microphones for different recording situations. This is easily one of the most affordable options available if you want a headset. It features 7.1 surround sound capability and sports a comfortable, lightweight headband perfect for those who wear glasses. The 1MORE piston earphones are a fantastic choice thanks to the 45-degree angled design, which allows the earbuds to sit better in your ear canal. The inline mic makes it easy to chat on the phone without much background noise and includes playback controls if you're listening to some tunes. When working from home, proper ergonomics are a must. Here are the best chairs, keyboards, and mice that'll keep you productive and pain-free. You might make do just fine with the trackpad on your Chromebook. But sometimes, a wireless mouse can come in handy. Whether it's to flip back and forth easily through columns on a spreadsheet, navigate multiple documents, or play an intense video game. Pretty well any wireless mouse will work with your Chromebook as well as other laptops in the household. Whether you are in video conferences all day or just want a good webcam to video chat with friends or family, you'll need a solid webcam. Chances are the one built into your laptop makes you look more like a potato. But there are some great webcams you can get from Amazon to improve the video quality and more. Jeremy is proud to help keep Austin weird and loves hiking in the hill country of Central Texas with a breakfast taco in each hand. When he's not writing about smart home gadgets and wearables, he's defending his relationship with his smart voice assistants to his family. You can follow him on Twitter @Jeremiah. Text source, AndroidCentral.com.